isa para sa kapakanan ng lahat. Kaya sa bawat proyekto ng volunteerism, naglalagay kayo ng isang bagong bato sa pundasyon ng ating bayan. Volunteers are special people because you remind us of what humanity truly means. Kayo ang nagpapaalala na hindi kailangan maging mayaman, makapangyarihan o tanyag upang makagawa ng pagbabago. Lahat tayo ay may kakayahang tumulong basta't may bukas na puso at isip. As your mayor, I want you to know that Quezon City will always support you and honor your contributions. Thank you so much for everything that you've done and everything that you've given. Alam namin na hindi matatawaran ang halaga ng inyong ginagawa. Higit pa sa anumang parangal o pagkilala, ang inyong serbisyo ay isang inspirasyon na sana'y tularan ng lahat. Let us continue to strengthen the spirit of volunteerism, especially in our beloved city. Sama-sama, kaya natin buuin ang isang lungsod, isang bansa na may pagmamalaki natin, isang tahanan para sa lahat, kung saan ang malasakit ay namumuna. So before I end, I just want to say that this is a very special award for me. Sa lahat ng awards na binibigay natin, napakarami na. Yung Green Awards, yung Seal of Good Housekeeping, yung ating Child-Friendly City, etc. But this is very close to my heart because I really started my career, let's say, in public service as a volunteer, just like all of you. Ako po ay volunteer mula pa ng elementarya, nung tayo po ay tinatanong ng ating mga guro who wants to volunteer to play with underprivileged children in the community. I will volunteer. Tapos, nung high school na, who wants to volunteer to teach catechism sa mga high schools na, volunteer po ko. Nung college na po,